Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, September the 13th, 2024. And I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. So 1 puzzle is left. It's the jigsaw Sudoku. This will be the number. This will be number 9272. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 11 printed digits. Could be the hard one, could be the easy one. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 11, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle we need 30 minutes or more. Question is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1 here, only 1 single box, always 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we have a dual box here, 1 and a 2. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 should be here, the 2 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here a triple box. Well, this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a5. 4 or a5, well, we have a 4 in the same area, so it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Same for the other side. This box near the middle box is always 4 or a5. Well, we have a 5 in the same area, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. More triple boxes? No. Yeah, no. Here we have another one. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Insufficient information right now, but the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a5. Alright, more triple boxes. No, how about quadrat boxes? I see here a quadrat box in the L shape. When you see a quadrat box in the L shape, the inside box is always a 5. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Do we have more quadrat boxes? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. The T shape upside down. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same numbers as this box, so that box has the same number as this box. Okay, following shape, how about the L shape upside down? When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. I've already filled in. Okay, more L shapes? Nope. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes? No. Well, we have here one. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Okay. You have more? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 4 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. The maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers, so let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for 1 in this area, supposed to be here. then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5, so 1 box left of the 5 in this area supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left of the 1 in this area supposed to be here. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left of the 1 in this area supposed to be here. These 2 box, oh wait. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is connected with that box, should be so 2 and 3, but we already have a 3 here, so it can be 3 and more. This box should be a 2, is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well. This box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, but also that box can be 1. We have a double 1 there, so the only place left 1 in this area is supposed to be here. Mark those 2 boxes with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box will be a 1. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Here, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Well, we have a 2 there. Can be 2 anymore. This box will be a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 3 and 4. We have 3 now, so this box will be a 4, and that box will be a 3. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left of 3 in this area is supposed to be here, is connected with that box, will be so 3. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 to 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. Here can also not be a 4. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. Well. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 1. Those two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area supposed to be here is connected with that box should be so 1. These two boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here is connected with that box should be so 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 3, so 3 goes there. This box can be 1, this box can be 3, so 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, those 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this cross area supposed to be here. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 3 should be here. If you place a 3 here, then this box is connected with that box should be so 3. But we already have a 3 here. So, not the solution, place the 3 there, the 3 is supposed to be here. Well. Come on. This is taking too long. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 5, we have a double 5 there. And this box can be 2. So 2 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for 4 in this area supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 3. So 3 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 5. So the 5 goes in there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. We have 1 in the same area. Can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Is connected with that box should be so 2 and 4. So we need a 5 there, okay. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And you need a 2 here. Well, okay. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left for 5 in this area supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for 5 in this area supposed to be here. And I've eliminated there the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be 5, and I've eliminated there the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 2. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box should be so 4. 4 or a 5, we have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. 1 digit left in this cross area for number 2. I think this box should be 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 1 digit left in this area for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. Finishing 14 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. 4 stars, no 3 stars, no 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow. Yes, it's weekend, so have a great and fantastic Friday. Until then, bye bye for now.